Hello everyone! So if you want to delete a Google account on your Android device, here's how to do that. First of all, you have to open up your settings. And after that, let's scroll down to our Google tab. There we are. Here's our Google services. Let's open it up. Now, make sure that you have the right account chosen here because you don't want to delete the account which you need. Of course, now let's tap on it and let's press Google account. Here, once again, double check that this is the right account because sometimes it may happen. Let's choose Data and Privacy tab and let's tap on it. Then we're gonna scroll down to the very bottom of our page. There we are. So here we'll see Delete Your Google Account tab. Let's choose it. Now we gotta verify our identity, so simply enter your screen lock, whether it's PIN, password, or screen pattern, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna enter my PIN and press continue. So here you gotta read through that we're trying to delete the Google account which provides access to various Google services. We'll be not able to use any of the services anymore, of course. However, that if you're trying to delete this account to cover something up, you're still gonna be traced. So you also have an option to download your data before you delete your account if you need so. It's gonna be uploaded to the Google Drive of another Google account which is staying. So if you're choosing what you want to delete, press the check mark that yes, you acknowledge that you're still responsible for any charges incurred due to any pending financial transactions. And yes, you want to permanently delete this Google account and all of its data. And let's press delete account. Now give it some time to process the whole operation. And basically that's it. It will see the screen. This is our confirmation that our account was successfully deleted. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.